Hi guys, we brought a snack with us to the beach today from our trees, nectarines and plum cots. You can hear the waves splashing because we're at the beach. Duh.
Where else would we be?
So you can see here again, it's empty. Melbourne, Australia, in summer. Mind you, this is like about 10 days before the official beginning of summer break in Australia, which starts around December 15. So 2 weeks from now, it's not going to look like this. It's going to be packed like sardine cans. There'll be hundreds of people here. The beach season in Melbourne is officially December 15 to January 30. That's it, 6 weeks. And for the remainder of the year, it's empty. So we have no beach culture here at all. Zero. And I'll show you in a few weeks what I mean. So, straight from the tree, guys. Where we know where it grew. Yummo. This is what summer is all about. Wow, these are so good. Tree ripened. Sun-kissed.
Full of gorgeous love. This nectarine is super sweet.
The only company we have at the beach, other than each other, is this, the birds, who are waiting for us to give them our leftovers. This is a plum cot now. It's really a plum. I can't detect any apricot in it, but that's what they call it. Unless it was mislabeled. Check it out.
My nectarine was so beautifully sweet. I can't believe it.
This is what it's all about, guys.
Food in the beach. Food in the beach.
We've been here all week, every day, from Monday to Friday, alone. What more could you ask for? So guys, that was it. Another day at the beach with the seagulls instead of humans. There's one human there who walked by. Very, very seldom. Very seldom. And there's Melbourne City. All the way down there. Beautiful. So, thanks for watching. See you later. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our Fruitopia fruit.